Today is Groundhog Day, February 2nd, 2010. We're in San Diego on the USS Midway. Here's baby Hudaya.
Actually, I'm warm right now.
Abba. We are on the carrier Midway. See all the old planes. We are on the... What do you call this place? Top.
The flight deck.
The flight deck. See? Sharon knows carriers better than me. Flight deck. Here's the conning tower. Here's the AWAC. You see all San Diego Bay. San Diego, our hotel. And we're about to leave.
How do you go downstairs? Where do we come up?
Do the elevator this, or what do we do with this?
The elevator.